Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial SM-VB400 industrial vertical bandsaw. These are manufactured in Taiwan for Steelmaster Industrial, and let's run through some of the features. Vertical bandsaw 400, so it's a 400 deep throat there from the cutting blade to the back of the throat there. We've also got a adjustable table, so we can actually swivel the table if you come around here. We've got an angle sitting down the table from 15 degrees one way up to 45 degrees the other way. Now on board here we've also got a pneumatic Swarf blower, so that obviously blows your Swarf away, and the adjustment height there is also adjustable up and down. So a large work table, and around the other side here we'll just engage the bandsaw to operate it. So turning that on now. One of the things about the VB400 in here that's running now at the moment, we've also got variable speed, so simply increase and decrease the speed by this. So there's your high and low speed, and then decrease that down. We've also got a digital display showing you the speed that you're running at. So we'll turn that back down again, and then we'll turn that off. Just over this side, we've got an onboard weld preparation centre. So we've got a grinder there as well. So when you buy your rolls of bandsaw blade, you can actually, and when you break it, of course, there's maintenance required. You've got a onboard annealing station there. You've got a grinding station for after grinding prep, and also just a little onboard guillotine there as well. So you can select your presses of your annealing and welding via the controller there. So everything's on board for a SM-VB400 to make this a very all-inclusive vertical bandsaw. So jump into assetplant.com.au and find our full range of industrial metalwork machinery. Thanks and have a great day.